Nyt.
Hello, Lisa. How are you? We want to sing to you. Okay?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
And now I will open your present to me. Let's see. Oh, what is here? Balloons.
Ooh, air! Yeah!
Look at
American air!
Yeah, American.
Wow.
So nice. Envelope. Me ollaan puhuttu kerran puhelimessa hänen kanssa. Hän tietää mun hassun englannin kyllä. Oh, some sisters. Oh, so sweet. Oh, look at. And here, the next one. What? Oh my God. Oh. What a great idea. Oh, so sweet. Is it pillow? Or blanket? Blanket maybe. I don't know. Blanket. Oh, so beautiful. And all my colors. Now I remember when you asked about the colors. Oh, so sweet. Thank you so much. Look at, it's wonderful. Look, awesome. Ooh. Oh. Oh my God. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you, Lisa. I love you. Bye-bye. No pilkuttakaa. Bye-bye.